Today we finally are getting to try lychee. We've tried rambutan and longan. And we finally get to try their other relative / cousin fruit.
Lychee.
They are kind of a jelly-like. I think I described it as an eyeball when we tried the other ones.
Oh yeah, the longan is like an eyeball, but I thought of it as a naked grape.
Yeah,
a very,
that's a
very
good,
naked grape.
good description. I don't remember which one we liked more.
I was saying that it depended on my mood.
Yeah, that's right.
Because one of them was more flavorful than the other.
Yeah. Wasn't it, was it the longan that had like a more flavor, but the rambutan was like kind of more mellow?
Is reversed.
Reversed, okay. And it's very floral, as I recall.
Yeah.
And it's gonna have a seed.
Yeah.
You got the crusty shell in it.
Oh, well. There's a seed in there.
Yeah.
I thought that it was a piece of shell, but no, it was just the seed.
Okay, so these ones have pretty big seeds.
Yes.
Very big seeds, actually.
Yeah, you can just eat around it since it's so big.
Almost like an almond. There's a seed. Huh.
I want to see you struggle. First of all, how dare you?
It's like peeling an egg. I got a good first chunk, and now it's just breaking in little pieces. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Got it.
Got him, coach.
So I've had one. Tell me what you think now.
Today, 1,000 years later. Oh,
This one seems kind of like it's in between the other two.
this is like a girly longan. If that makes sense.
I suppose.
Sweeter.
I like this. This is really good.
Now I understand why people go crazy over lychee stuff.
Does it taste like that that lychee flavored lemonade you had?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But because it's lemonade, like it's pretty powerful on its own.
Mm-hmm. So, how would we describe this? It's obviously pretty floral. It is reminding me of something, but I'm not sure what.
Like flavor-wise
Yeah.
or texture-wise? Because
Flavored, but the
Okay.
texture is
longan. It's a girly longan.
the texture?
Yeah.
You mean the flavor?
No, the texture. The texture of this is like longan.
Oh, you
flavors.
mean the outside?
Squishy, squishy. Longan is like this.
Okay, we're on
Yeah.
the same page.
Yeah. But flavor-wise,
Yeah,
it's like a girly version of it.
okay. I see what you're saying. It does have a pretty floral smell, too.
Yeah.
I think if I had to pick one out of the three, I might say I like this one the most. I enjoyed all of them, but it reminds me of some kind of fruit juice. Maybe I've had Longan flavored juice and it's just reminding me of itself, or lychee flavored.
Well, I have gotten you like lychee soda before from like Asian markets, and you drink it and you're like, wow, this is great, and then you chug the rest of it and you're like, oh no, it's gone. Like, I had to go back in the store.
That doesn't sound like me.
You calling me a liar?
I'm calling you a truther.
First of all, sir, how dare you?
There's like a moderate amount of effort involved.
One day I'll get good.
They must have some kind of machine that does this.
Got a machine for everything.
Yeah. So what do you think between the three now that we've had these three relatives?
I still think that it would depend on my mood, which one I would want more.
This one's actually a bit different.
But for me, it's a tie between Lychee and Longan.
Okay.
I do like the Rambutan, but
Yeah.
if it's presented to me, I will not be opposed.
Of course. We still have some Longan too.
We do. I was looking at it the other day and I was like, I should eat some of it.
Did you eat some of it?
No, I forgot.
Huh.
This is really good.
Yeah. I think this one's a new favorite for me.